Hello students, I hope you all are doing good and preparing well for a DCET exam. So this is a new video series that I am starting. Uh, so in this series, I will be covering the mathematics topics only. Okay. So as you all know, recently they have released the DCET 2023 syllabus according to C20 syllabus. Okay. So as if you have referred that, the weightage for mathematics is 20 marks. Okay. And they have given the syllabus topic wise. Okay, so in the this video series I'll be trying to cover the mathematics section, and I'll be going from the basic level till the difficulty level that is required for the examination. Okay, whatever is required for the examination. So this course is going to be uh, exam oriented and conceptual. Okay, so it is very important that you understand these concepts. So this is going to help in your what do I say, in your higher education as well. When you go to when you do engineering, there again, if your basic concepts are clear, then it will be very easy. Okay, so let's start the today's session. So in today what we'll be doing is we'll be covering this straight lines topic. So today's in this video, okay, so this topic has got a weightage of around 4 marks. Okay, so very easy questions will be coming from this. We'll be covering those things. Okay, so let's look at the syllabus. So this is the syllabus according to C20, which was released by the board. Okay, so what do we have? We have got slope of a straight line, intercepts of a straight line, intercept from a straight line, slope, intercept, slope point, and so on. Okay, so in today's video we will be not touching these concepts. We will be covering very basic concepts that are required to understand this. So in my next video I'll start the main topic, but before that I want to build a foundation for this topic. Okay, uh, coming. Okay, so we'll be quickly recapping the basic concepts that you have learned in your up till 10th standard. So we'll be going from the basic, like locating the points, distance formula, section formula, and area of triangle. Okay, so let's start. So locating points. So this is a graph paper, as you all know. Here what we have done, we have put this horizontal line. This is our x-axis and this is my y-axis. Okay, okay. So on x-axis there are two directions. This is positive direction and this is negative direction, right? Here again in y-axis I have positive direction and negative direction. Okay, okay. I think everyone knows this. So I'll ask a simple question. So if I ask you, locate me where is 2 comma 3, how do you locate this point? Let's try to understand. So this is our x coordinate, this is called x coordinate, and this is our y coordinate. Okay, so x, 2 units in x, so it is positive. So 2 is positive. So in positive direction is this. So we will go 2 units in positive direction. We'll come here, right? This is our 2. And 3 units in y direction. So 3 units I'll go in y direction. So this is my point. So this is 2 comma 3. So this is how you do, right? This is 2 comma 3. So again we'll use the same logic again. If I have to plot minus 1 comma 2, say, so the first x coordinate is minus, so I'll go in this direction. So this is my minus 1, and 2 I have to go in upward direction along y axis. So minus 1 and 2 units in vertical direction. This is my minus 1 comma 2 basic. Okay, if I have minus 1 comma minus 4, I have to go in this direction minus 1 units here. Then again 4 units I have to come downwards because it is minus 4, right? This is my minus 1 comma minus 4. And if it is 1 comma minus 3, say, so 1 is positive and 3 is negative. 1 is positive, that meaning one unit in x direction, and 3 units downwards because it is minus, right? So this is how you locate the points, very important. Okay, again, so this is one thing, this is very basic thing. Given a point, you should know how to locate that in the coordinate plane. Okay, whatever is a point. say if it is 6 comma 7 or any point, what it denotes, 6 is the first coordinate, is the x coordinate, this is our x and this is our y. So x units from the origin, and this is our origin. Okay, I forgot, I'm so sorry, this is origin, this is called origin. Okay, so I hope this was clear to you. We will go to the next concept. Okay, so next is distance formula. I think you have learned this in your lower classes. So what we have? So we have got 2 points, say A and B. The coordinates of A are x comma x1 comma y1, and coordinates of B are y2 comma x2 comma y2. So here x1 comma y1. So this is my x1 and this is my y1. Similarly, x2 comma y2. This is my x2 and this is my y2. Right? So I want to find out this distance. So it is very easy. So what they are doing is, I'll tell you. So we know this is x1 and this is x2. Then what is my AC? AC is nothing but x2 minus x1, right? AC is x2 minus x1. Okay. And similarly, what is my BC? It is nothing but y2 minus y1. This is y2, right? And this is y1. So this distance is nothing but y2 minus y1, right? Sorry, y2 minus y1. Okay, so we have got AC and BC. So using the Pythagoras property, we can find out what is AB. Okay, so AB is nothing but AC square plus BC square. AC is nothing but x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is equal to AB square. Okay, Pythagoras. So if I remove this square, I'll get this formula, right? So you should remember this formula. It is very important formula. Okay. So this is a simple example that we'll be solving. How to use that formula? I'll just write that formula again. So we have x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay. So see, I'll just write it down: x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2. I just need to substitute. Okay. Sorry. Yeah. So I have got x2. X2 is 5. 5 minus 2 minus minus plus whole square plus y2 minus y1. Y2 is 6. Y1 is 3. So this is nothing but square root 5 plus 2 is 7. 49 plus 9. 6 minus 3 is 3. 3 square is 9. 49 is 58. Root 58 is the answer. So the distance between these 2 points is root 58. So this is how you solve the question. Okay. Moving on. Next is again an important thing. You need to know this. So this is section formula. So what is a section formula? So given a line segment AB, we have a line segment AB. If there is a point P, there is a point P that divides line segment AB in the ratio m is to n. M is to n here, what is it? AP by PB is equal to m by n. So we coordinates of point A, coordinates of point B are given, and the ratio is also given. We need to find out the point of intersection. Okay, the coordinates of point P. To find the coordinates of point P, we have this formula, that is mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, comma my2 plus n by 1 by m plus n. Okay, simple formula. Again here external section formula, here it is internal section formula. In internal section, the point is in between, in between the line segment, but in external section the point is outside. Okay, here AB is here but P is outside. So here whenever the external section is given, say AP by BP. So here see, again focus on this, AP by BP is equal to m by n. So here the formula is slightly different. You have to just add the minus thing here. mx2 minus nx1 by m minus n, comma m by 2 minus n by 1 by m minus n. So this is how you can find. So this is very important. Focus on this part. AP by BP is equal to M by N. Here AP by BP is equal to M by N, but P is in between. Here P is outside. Okay, important. Okay, so we'll see a simple example on this first. Okay, uh, sorry. So by using the section formula, find out the coordinates of the point that divide the line segment joining the points in the ratio 3:1. So I'll just draw a rough diagram here. So we have got 8 comma minus 3 and 16 comma 5 and 3:1. So this is my A. Let me call this B and let me call this P. So this is 3:1. So this is 3. So this is 1. So this is my M. This is my N. This is x1, y1 and x2, y2. So I'll just apply the formula here. Mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 m yeah my2 y2 is 5 plus ny1 ny1 by m plus n. 3 plus 1 is 4. 16 3s are 48 plus 8 by 4 comma 15 minus 3 by 4, which gives me 56 by 2, which is 25 28 comma 3. So this is the coordinates of point P. So it divides the line segment AB in the ratio 3:1. Okay, so this is how you solve. Simple question. Moving on. Find the coordinates of the point C which divide the points AB in the ratio 2:3 externally. Okay, they are telling externally. So here there is a slightly change in the formula. So simple. This is our M and this is an N. This is x1, y1 and x2, y2 and apply the formula. M y2, M x2 minus N x1, N x1. X1 is minus 3 divided by M minus N, 2 minus 3. Similarly, M is 2, sorry, 2, y2 is 0 minus N, y1 is minus 1 divided by M minus N. Okay, so what do I get? Minus 2 plus 9 minus 1 divided by 3 by minus 1. 7 minus 7 by minus 3. So this is the external point of externally this point divides, right? Minus 7 comma minus 3. Let me just check once. Yeah, I'm right. Okay, so this is how I'll just show you how it is in the diagrammatically also. So if I take this as my A point, this as my B point, so our point of intersect the point that divides will lie here somewhere, because see 2:3, no, so this is 2 units and this is 3 units. Okay, so because AC by BC is nothing but 2 by 3 they have given us, so our C will lie here. Okay, so C will lie here, this side. So this is how point C will be here. Okay, so only thing you have to take care is about this minus thing. Whenever they say minus externally, you have to take minus. That's it, simple. Okay, moving on. Yeah, so this is an interesting thing. Midpoint R between the points P and Q has the coordinates 4, 6. If the coordinates of Q are 8, 10, then what are the coordinates for point P? Solve it by using the midpoint formula. So what is the midpoint formula? Interesting. So let's apply the same knowledge we have. So this is the section formula. Okay. In section formula, if the if for internal division, if I take the ratio 1:1, that means AP by BP is equal to 1 by 1. Both are equal. In that case, P will automatically become my midpoint, right? So M by N is equal to 1:1. So what will happen to the formula? It will be simple, x1 comma x2 by 2, 1 plus 1, y1 plus y2 by 2. So this is our formula, direct formula. Okay, so you can remember this also. We'll be using this concept here to solve this question. So here they have already given us the midpoint and coordinates of one point. They are asking us to find the other point. So coordinates of point, so okay, let me take this thing. So what they have done is, this is my P, this is my Q. So they have given us the midpoint. Let me call it M, 4 comma 6. Coordinates of Q they have already given us. They are asking us to find out P. Okay, we can solve that. Okay, so uh, let us take coordinates as x1 comma y1. Okay, so 8 plus x1 by 2 comma 10 plus y1 by 2 is equal to 4 comma 6, right? Everyone agrees? Simple. I have directly applied the formula. So we can equate both of them. 8 plus x1 by 2 is equal to 4, which gives me, on simplifying, 0. Okay, similarly this part I will do. 10 plus y1 by 2 is equal to 6, which will give me y1 is equal to 2. So the coordinates of point P are nothing but 0 comma 2. Okay, so this was a slightly tricky question. Okay, I hope you all understood this. Moving on, so this is the last concept. Okay, quick recap. Okay, so area of a triangle. So if we are given the coordinates of the vertices of a triangle, so this is a triangle. A triangle is A, B, and C, and the coordinates are given. Okay, how to find the area of the triangle? The formula for that is 1 by 2. I'll just rewrite it again. X1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Okay, just remember this formula. It is very important. You may expect a question, okay, directly. Okay, okay, let's solve a simple substitution thing. So this is our x1 comma y1, this is x2 comma y2, and this is x3 comma y3. I just need to substitute it things. So let me just do it. 1 by 2 x1. What is x1? Minus 1. y2 minus y3. y2 is 3 minus y3 minus 3. Then x2 y2 minus y3. What is my y3 minus y1 now? y3 minus y1. Sorry, I wrote it x2 here directly. What is x2? x2 is 2, right? Plus x3 y3 minus y1 again. Then now y1 minus y2. What is y1? Minus of y2. y2 is 3. Finished. Okay, that's it. 1 by 2 uh, minus 1. So 3 plus 3 is 6 plus 2 minus 5 plus 4 minus 1. 1 by 2 minus 6 minus 10 minus 4. So this is nothing but, sorry, yeah, this is 2 minus 20, right? uh, 10 6 minus 20 by 2 is equal to minus 10. Okay, but as this is area, we just need to take the absolute value here. Okay, the absolute value is 10, right? Okay, uh, just ignore the minus sign. Whatever is there, we have to take it positive, because area we are taking the absolute value. Okay, so this formula also I just want to rewrite. So this is actually the positive modulus. Okay, y2 minus y3, y3 minus y1. Yeah, it's correct. Okay, so this is how you solve the question. I'm so sorry, guys. So the correct answer is 10 square units. So this is how you find the area of the triangle given the coordinates. Okay, yeah, so that was it in this video. So this was a very basic video. I hope this session was helpful. Like you were able to recap your concepts that you have learned in your school. Okay, like I'll just summarize what we did. So first we studied the distance formula, which is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square inside square root. Okay, next is section formula. This is very important for internal and for external. Mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, comma m by 2 plus n by 1 by m plus n. Similarly here I have to just put the minus sign. Then we saw what is area of triangle, that is 1 by 2 x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Okay, these are very basic formula, you can remember them. So just remember these formulas, this will help you in your examination. Okay, so today's video was a very basic video. So in my next video we will be starting the core topic, the important topic, that is straight lines. Okay, so it is a very easy topic, you can follow my videos and practice few questions, you can easily score those 4 marks. Okay, so if this video was helpful to you, you can like the video, and please share this video with your friends so that others also benefit from this video. Okay, thank you.